Now, how do you participate in and build a championship meetings team? Let me ask you this question first. What are some of the challenges that you've experienced, be you planner or supplier or whatever, in building a meetings team? What are some of the challenges you've experienced? Yes. Problem number one, volunteer apathy. What else? What else? What are some of the other challenges you've experienced? Keeping people focused. What else? Yes. Sticking to deadlines. What else? I saw a hand over here. Yes. Choosing relevant topics. Okay, so we have volunteer apathy, keeping people focused, sticking to deadlines, choosing relevant topics, too many decision makers, limited resources, and employee turnover. Okay, we do a needs analysis. We match up needs. We match up meeting team needs. On the solution side, we match team needs with individual talents. This gets right to the heart of the WIFM. What's in it for me? What interests someone? Is there a particular project that you have, a particular need that you have that someone is ready, willing, and able to take on? If so, please give it to them and let them run with it. Critical issue. What happens with trust is this. It becomes a question of how much risk are you willing to take? And if nothing else, what you need to do in assessing talents of people, be they volunteers, be they paid staff, be they paid employees, is to do a risk-reward analysis, plain and simple. Write it down and say, okay, let's see. Next challenge, limited resources. How many of you have had to deal with limited resources? How can you do more with less? Okay. So one of the questions that I raised in the mini article, the questions you ask. You see, the person who is asking the questions has the control. Controls the dialogue and controls the outcome or the result. That is why I encourage each and every one of you to develop a very healthy sense of curiosity. The more curious you are, the more effective you will be over the last 30 to 40 minutes, and that is communication. Communication is a two-way street. It's dialogue, not monologue. It's clearly defined action. It is clearly defined roles and responsibilities. It is clearly defined timelines. And effective communication, I can sum up under three very specific skills. I've only mentioned it twice on this one-page handout, and I hope that's enough. Asking thoughtful questions, listening carefully, and then concretely determining an action plan, who is doing what and by when. Who is doing what by when. And you see here, I mean, I list out, just think about all the skills that you build in yourself, that you help encourage and inspire with those who you want to work with you on your meetings team. You improve your listening skills, you improve your delegation skills, you improve your consensus building skills, you improve others' perception of you as both a person and as a professional. You raise the bar on what people expect of you. You keep a focus on quality rather than quantity in what you do. You keep a focus on end result versus specific tasks. You're focused on output rather than input. I mean, I could go on, but you don't need that. You need to think about this process of effective communication, which helps to build and nurture and grow a championship meetings team.